beauties, it's Ari back with another video. This is gonna be straight to the point, y'all. This is gonna be like an 85% silent video because sometimes I just do not feel like talking, and this is one of those times. And also, if you're anything like me, some of y'all's videos on YouTube, I'll be watching on silent anyway. So I want to go ahead and give you guys a silent tutorial. This will be super fun. I may poke in here and there to drop a few gems or to kind of share some background context as to what I'm doing, but pretty much it's going to be silent. Okay, so I did want to talk about the inspiration behind this video. I was actually watching one of my older videos and I inspired myself, honey. I remembered that I bought this palette to show to you guys last year, and I don't think I've used it since I recorded that video. So if you have not seen my Take Me Back to Brazil palette video, make sure you go and watch this. It was super fun and interactive, very colorful and just beautiful. So I was just thinking, like, what can I do to utilize this palette again? Because I don't want to just use it once and never use it again. Doing a cut crease is very tedious because if you cut it too high, it looks crazy. But if you don't cut it high enough, you can't see. With people who have hooded eyes like myself, the skin just folds. Okay, you guys, I'm back. As you can see, I covered a lot of ground. I completed all of my concealer, highlight, contour, all that good stuff. I decided to do that off camera because y'all see that literally every single video. That's not the focus of this video. The focus is on the eyes. So I figured I would do that off camera, but there is one more step that I would like to add to the eyes. Y'all know I love me some glitter. So I am gonna go in with some NYX face and body glitter. Okay, y'all, so I added the glitter. I don't know if you can tell. If you cannot, I'm so sorry. That is actually why I am in the process of searching for other glitters to start using. But in person, y'all, she's cute. The glitter looks amazing. It is like a white color on the outside. This is what it looks like, but it's also kind of iridescent. So there's like little like light blue flakes of glitter, purplish flakes of glitter, and it just looks amazing. So try to share some pictures at the end of this video so you guys can see what it looks like. Otherwise, you can just go to my Instagram and there will be a post where this video is attached and it'll have the still shots of tonight's glam. Like I said, this was completely freestyled. I wanted to do something a little bit different, inspired by the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. So I wanted to get into some purples. I never wear purple. I really don't wear colorful makeup like that unless I'm doing a video for you guys. So I kind of wanted to just branch out a little bit, try something different and see what I came up with. And I'm loving this look. I hope you guys love it too. Now I'm going to just add my lip gloss and then we're going to be done. Okay, you guys, so this is the completed look. I think it is so pretty. I hope you guys enjoy this. Let me know if you want more silent videos or if you want videos with instruction, if you want voiceovers, things like that. I'm trying to keep my page very versatile and I want to meet the needs of all of my subscribers. So you guys, please let me know what you want to see on my page. Let me know your thoughts, leave any comments, ask me any questions if you have questions or concerns. And as always, thank you guys so much for supporting me. I really, really appreciate it. I'm excited to keep growing with y'all, to keep learning, to keep expanding, and I plan on taking over the makeup world. So I'm so happy that you guys are along with me on that journey. Thank you so much. You guys stay safe, stay healthy, stay blessed, and I will see you next time. Bye.